Welcome Blue Orange Techies to our Salesforce garden. Today, we're exploring a special kind of connection called field dependence. Imagine branches on a tree that decide where the next branch grows. Intrigued? Let's dig in. What is field dependence in Salesforce? In the world of Salesforce, field dependence is like a magic trick with two drop-down menus. When you make a choice in the first drop-down, it magically affects what options appear in the second drop-down. It's a way to guide users through a smooth and logical path as they enter data. Why do we use field dependence? It helps keep our data clean and our users happy. Instead of scrolling through endless options that don't make sense, users only see choices that fit their previous selection. For example, selecting a country might change the city options to match that country. It's all about making data entry as easy and error-free as possible. Let's say you're booking a flight on a travel site. First, you pick your destination country from the country dropdown. Based on your choice, the airport dropdown automatically updates to show only airports in that country. It's like having a personal travel guide that knows exactly what you need next. How to create a field dependence in Salesforce step by step. First, decide which fields will play our magical roles. Our country field will be the controlling field, deciding the path. City will be our dependent field, following the country's lead. Next, navigate to the Field Dependencies section within your object setup. Click New to start weaving our connection. Here, we'll officially pair our controlling and dependent fields. In our Setup wizard, select Country as the controlling field and City as the dependent field. It's like telling one branch it's in charge of guiding the next. Now, define which cities belong to which country. This step ensures that choosing a country will only show cities from that country in the next dropdown. After setting your garden's paths, save your work. Then, test it by trying to enter data. You'll see your city options beautifully adjust based on the country you choose. And just like that, Blue Orange Techies, you've mastered field dependence in Salesforce, creating clear, logical paths for data entry. No more confusion or messy data, just smooth sailing. Thanks for joining me on this adventure. If this guide was helpful, why not give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more straightforward tutorials? This is Naveen signing off. Until next time, keep innovating and building with Salesforce.